10:17 in the morning, 68 degrees. And I'm fixing the back about, I don't know, 8 or 10 feet of that bus in because we got all them stupid ass leaves blowing all over the roof of the bus. So I got to get it in here so I can paint, because I can't paint with them damn things blowing on the roof. So I'm going to back it into about here, and then I'll put the back door on and get some of this other stuff out of my way, and then I'll be back. All right, we got it all plasticed up. Got it all in primer. Take those 2 bolts out of that door, and we're fixing to make some paint and shoot it. Well, there's the base coat. Kind of looks horrible. Body work looks horrible. But that's the goal, was to get it to where I put the windows in it. Look at the body work on that. Damn. Didn't realize how bad I was. Oh well. We'll get some clear on it and then really scare the shit out of us. It's gonna really look bad with some clear on it. Oh well, it's just a bus. All right, there it is. All cleared up. That's 3/4 of a quart mixed up, so that's 4-to-1. So that's 3/4 of a quart total. 2 quarts, or two coats. We'll let that sit up for a couple hours, and then we'll be able to pull that outside and we'll be done. Doesn't look too bad. By the time you get it outside and get it all dressed up and lights and windows and everything else, it'll look fine. Not too bad. Starting to stinking here, you get a buzz.